So one of the craziest things I see people do is running ads, but not putting focus in on the ad creatives. In this video, I'm going to show you this client we've been working with right here, who's been able to grow his newsletter to thousands of subscribers using X Twitter ads for pennies per click. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. In today's video, I'm going to break down how to use X ads and a case study from this client, Will, we've been working with to get thousands of subscribers and leads for your business. I've been doing this marketing stuff for 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. And one of the coolest things about this is that it's the lowest cost place to get new leads. You can retarget them elsewhere, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, wherever, but bring them in on X. So let's not wait any longer, let's dive in. So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down the 4 different ad types you should be running on X ads, and you really could be using this on any ad platform. Top of funnel is a place where nobody's ever heard of you, they don't know you, they don't trust you, they just don't like you yet. So we need a post here that builds trust, builds authority, and gives something of super high value so they remember you, your business, as being the authority and the helper, the person that knows what they're talking about. The next one is middle of funnel. This will be the next ad that we want them to see. And this is where we build a relationship with them. We educate them, we provide value. I like to use a video here because, hey, you heard about me once, now here's a valuable tip and education piece so you never forget about me. The next 2 are gonna be bottom of funnel, and this is retargeting after they've already seen you twice. You saw my name, you saw my brand, you saw I'm an educator and that I helped you and provided value. Now you can go and get something of value on my website or my lead magnet. This is where I send people to my system. Now, if you want my full system breaking down how to follow up with every single lead so they never forget about you on every platform, on email, YouTube, Google, Meta, TikTok, wherever, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you over the full system. All right, so that's the exact one that I would send you if you saw one of my retargeting ads. Is still a lead magnet, still something of free. Now, the last one where you're gonna see me maybe the 5th, 6th, 10th time, that's where we need something relatable, a picture. I like the brand, the personal brand's face to be here so they remember the face over and over. But what you can do is you wanna keep a similar structure here so they never forget. Now that's what I wanna show you this review here that we just recently got. This is a personal brand and a newsletter. So it's always best to create that personal brand so you can build a relationship, get that in organically. And then what you can use is the low cost price of X ads or even YouTube ads, which you can find on my other videos, to bring in your ideal customers. And then what you want to use is Meta and other platforms where it's a little more expensive to retarget and remind them to come back and take an action. All right, so now the top of funnel post that we want them to see, I want you to experiment with this, but we have a sample template here that we're basically trying to give them, solve their pain point with something of high value. So you want to think about what your customer pain point is. You want to talk about a case study. You want to pre-fill these in. You can use AI to do something like this. Now we use a software called Twinlytics to help us target our ideal customer pain points. Now you can use other AI software like ChatGPT or Grok, but it doesn't know who your ideal customer is using all the data in the world. So what they do is they partner with data companies to say, this is the ideal customer profile for you. Here's their pain points and here's how you can solve them. So that we like to use this because it's super easy and they remember. I don't have to tell them who my ideal customer is every time. So first I'm gonna take this example post here and I'm gonna go back to Twinlytics. And since Twinlytics already knows who my ideal customer profile is, they're gonna actually write this ad for me using the data, using the pain points, using the exact words that would catch my customer attention. And so here it is. It generated the outcome where it's given me the data. I generated 3,000 leads. It targeted my ideal customer profile. It brought in the keywords that would capture my ideal customer's attention. And then it gave me some other data points to put in there. So that's what I would do. I would take this exact post here and I would then copy it and even ask it to create maybe 5 more versions. Now I'm gonna come back here and I have my top of funnel ad. I wanna send this to the world, send this to as many people as possible. And then what I wanna do is think about an image that would really capture someone's attention. So this would be something of high value, maybe your dashboard, maybe your software, maybe an outcome that you've generated for your client, but you want the image to be relatable to the post. All right, the next one is middle of funnel. This middle of funnel is going to be a video. I like to use videos to build relationships. So on the video, I make it about 20 to 30 seconds long for an X ad. Yours can be maybe up to a minute or 2 minutes long. Sometimes you can do a preview of maybe a YouTube video, but the goal here is to provide some sort of education. Use this prompt and target them so now they see you a second time and you're the one that's giving value. Then the last one is the bottom funnel. This is where I'm basically saying, if you want a free trial for the whole system, or if you want to see a trial of the software, or if you want to see exactly how it works, you already know who I am. Pay what you want, get what you want, sign up here. But basically this is where you're going to get that website click. Now, just as a reminder, top of funnel, if you watch any of my other YouTube videos, I talk about top of funnel needs to just be a follower campaign. You're trying to get more followers. Middle of funnel needs to be an engagement campaign. We just want people to comment, like it, bookmark it, or engage. The bottom of funnel, where they're going to start seeing you the third, fourth, or fifth time, this is where you're going to ask for that website click. You're going to ask them to sign up and schedule, and you're going to ask them to go take that action, whatever you say in the post. All right, so what are you waiting for? Go start thinking about your ideal customer profile, what type of post will really catch their attention, and then use these exact ads to follow up with your leads. When somebody first sees you on X, you want to show an ad to build a relationship. When they see you a second time, you need to educate them. See you a third time, you need to give something of value. See you a fourth time, time to sign up and work with me. So if this video brought you any value at all, it'd be awesome if you subscribe. Make sure you comment system to get this full automation system in your inbox. And if you want to learn more about X ads and X marketing to grow your X account, check out this playlist right here. And if this video, like I asked, brought you any value, I hope I see you on my next video. Have a great day.